Welcome to another edition of the Quality and Practice Minute. In this edition of the Quality and Practice Minute, I will discuss a CI2 tool. I call these segments Tool Talks. In this Tool Talk, we will discuss value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is an exercise to identify the value-added steps of a process and, more importantly, the non-value-added steps and delays in the process. The reason to do this is to identify where waste and rework and bureaucracy occurs in a process and seek ways to streamline by removing unnecessary steps, loops, and approvals from the process so that only the value is left in the process. I want to talk a little bit about that word value. Value is defined by the customer. Customer is not necessarily the paying customer at the end of the process waiting for their product or service that they ordered, but can be the next process owner downstream towards fulfilling that paying customer's needs. Value, generally speaking, includes steps that move the product or service towards the customer. Anything that does not contribute to that value chain is waste. Some might say that product inspection is valuable because it ensures that the customer gets what they want. While this is true from one perspective, from the value chain perspective, inspection is not something that moves the product towards the customer. In an ideal world where high quality is present, inspection is not necessary. Inspection is therefore a non-value added activity. Since we don't live in an ideal world, some non-value added activities are required. We should view these as necessary evils and seek to reduce them whenever possible. The first premise of value stream mapping is that it starts with the customer. Since mapping in reverse order is a really tough exercise, we typically will map starting with the supplier through the work process steps and data exchanges to ultimately the end customer. Once the map is built, however, we must look critically at the steps of the process through the eyes of the customer and determine what is valued and what is not. During the mapping exercise, capture any wait times or delays or rework loops or approvals that occur along the way. Capture data exchanges, manual or electronic forms that get filled out along the way to start the process or along the process, including at the supplier. If you complete this exercise, the non-value added will jump off the page, and where the improvement opportunities lie will be obvious. Value stream mapping is an effective tool. I have used it myself to remove significant chunks of time from processes that I was improving, and so can you. Below is an example of a value stream map of an as-found process that I was working on. And here is the improved process. This improvement saved 26 days of cycle time. A value stream map is an effective way to reveal waste in your process. If you would like to learn more about value stream mapping or any continuous improvement tool, you can sign up for one of our courses. You can find us at qualityandpractice.solutions or email us at info@qualityandpractice.solutions. Thanks, and we'll see you next time on the Quality and Practice Minute.